Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. The market is expected to open on a positive note due to a rally in the global markets ahead of the key US Federal Reserve interest rate decision. To start with our first segment for Wednesday, 29 January 2025, Nifty index opened gap up by almost 130 points, and after the slight slip in the first tick, it recovered and bulls gradually lifted the spirits of the market. It went on to cross 23,100 but witnessed a steep profit booking decline in the last hour. It gave up most of its intraday gains but closed above 22,950. It formed a small-bodied candle on the daily frame with longer upper shadow, indicating pressure is intact at the higher zones. India VIX was marginally up to 18.2 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.95. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 22,500 to 23,500 zones, while immediate range is in between 22,800 to 23,200. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 4,921 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 6,814 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 25%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till the time Nifty holds above 22,950, we could see recovery towards 23,150 and 23,333 marks, while supports can be seen at 22,800 and 22,650. The Bank Nifty has to hold above 48,500 for a bounce towards 49,250, then 49,500, while on the downside, support can be seen at 48,500 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in M&M Finance, TVS Motor, Bajaj Finance, PNB, Escorts, Ramco Cements, Bajaj Finserv and Maruti, while some weakness could be seen in Dixon, CDSL, Federal Bank, Nalco and BHEL. Wish you a super trading day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.